Hello friends, I am Jaya and according to GIC syllabus, first of all welcoming you all once again to my YouTube channel which is Aradha's YouTube family channel. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू GIC syllabus for English literature हम लोगों ने अभी तक पढ़ लिया है जेफरी चॉसर, विलियम शेक्सपियर, जॉन मिल्टन, जॉन ड्रायडन, एलेक्जेंडर पोप, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, पी.बी. शेली, जॉन कीट्स, अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन, मैथ्यू ऑनर, चार्ल्स डिकेंस, थॉमस हार्डी, W.B. Yeats, T.S. Eliot, जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ, जॉर्ज ऑरवेल, राजा राव, मुल्क राज आनंद, निजी म्यूजिकल, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, अर्नेस्ट हेमिंग्वे, हेरोल्ड पिंटे, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, गिरीश कर्नाड, V.S. नायपॉल. And in literary terms, Renaissance, Reformation, metaphysical poetry, classicism, romanticism, the pre-Raphaelites, modern literature, major stanza forms. And today we are going to start sonnets. So let's get started. एक सोनेट एक काव्यात्मक रूप है जो परलेमो सिसिली में पवित्र रोमन सम्राट फ्रेडरिक II के दरबार में उत्पन्न हुआ था. 13वीं सेंचुरी के कवि और नोटरी जियाकोमो दा लैटिनी को सोनेट के आविष्कार और कविताओं के सिसिली स्कूल के साथ श्रेय दिया जाता है, जिन्होंने उन्हें इसके प्रसार का श्रेय दिया. What is sonnet? Definition of sonnet. A sonnet is a poem generally structured in the form of 14 lines, usually iambic pentameter, that expresses a thought or idea and utilizes an established rhyme scheme. As a poetic form, the sonnet was developed by an early 13th century Italian poet Giacomo da Latini. However, it was the Renaissance Italian poet Petrarch that perfected and made this poetic literary device famous. Sonnets were adapted by Elizabethan English poets and William Shakespeare in particular. Below is an example of a well-known sonnet by Petrarch, translated by Thomas Wentworth Higginson, and a familiar sonnet by Shakespeare for comparison. It's clear from the examples that both poems feature 14 lines addressing the theme of love, yet they have differing rhyme schemes and artistic expressions. Friends, आपको birds की आवाज़ आ रही है? So beautiful, so mesmerizing. Primary types of sonnets. In English literature, there are two basic sonnet patterns. First is Italian or Petrarchan sonnet, named for the Italian Renaissance lyrical poet Francisco Petrarch. This sonnet pattern consists of an 8-line octave with the rhyme scheme ABBA, followed by a 6-line sestet that follows one of two rhyme schemes CDE or CDC. English or Shakespeare sonnet, named for William Shakespeare and a variation of Italian sonnet. This sonnet pattern consists of 3-4 line quatrains and a concluding couplet with the rhyme scheme A B C D E F G G. There are variants in terms of sonnets, but the Italian and English patterns are the two most prevalent. Two other primary types of sonnets are Spenserian, named for the English poet Edmund Spenser, a contemporary of William Shakespeare. This sonnet pattern is a variation of Shakespearean sonnet and features a more challenging rhyme scheme A B B C C D E. Miltonic, named for the English poet John Milton. This sonnet pattern is considered an evolution of the Shakespearean sonnet. Milton used the Petrarchan form as well and expanded the traditional limits of rhyme and length in composing many of his sonnets. In addition, Miltonic sonnets often addresses themes of internal struggles and conflict rather than external world themes. So friends, यहाँ पे हम इसको रोकते हैं. इस वीडियो को पार्ट 1 है, सेकंड इसका नेक्स्ट अभी आ जाएगा कुछ देर में. टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड. और सेकंड पार्ट लेने के लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, बी हैप्पी, कीप स्माइलिंग, बिकॉज आराध्या का क्लास स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है. अभी इसका आराध्या का क्लास होगा, तो उसके बाद मैं मिलती हूँ. बाय बाय.